Animal Kingdom, last day.
I just love going on adventures.
Me too, Minnie.
You three, Pluto? Why, hello, everyone. Hello. Hello there. Mickey, Pluto, look at all our friends.
Gosh, this is some crowd, all right. Hiya, folks. You look like you're ready for an adventure.
I hope we are too. Let's make sure we have everything we need. Mickey, do you have the checklist?
Checklist? Good question, Minnie. Well, you see, I had it, and then I put it somewhere.
Oh, there it is, Mickey.
Aha! Right where I left it. Gosh, that's a big list.
Well, this is a big adventure. You can never be too prepared, you know. Now, let's see. The first on the list is the sunscreen. Do we have the sunscreen?
Sunscreen, check.
Well, how about all of you? Does everyone have sunscreen? You know what they say. Better safe than sunburned. All right then. Next on the list is a camera.
A camera, huh?
We want to get some photos of our adventure.
Here you go. Say cheese.
Cheese! Now let's see. What about a guide map? Gotta know where we're going.
Here it is. We wouldn't want to get lost, you know.
It looks like we're ready to start our wild adventure.
Oh! It feels like we're forgetting something. Something sort of important. Let me see. Sunscreen, camera, guide map. Oh, here we go.
What is it?
It says, let the adventure begin.
What does that mean, Mickey?
It means it's time to get started. So, on the count of 3, everybody say, let the adventure begin.